All right, guys, today what we're doing today, we're getting on this truck right here. A little bit of Chevy action. All right, so let's go down here. Today we're gonna change the fuel pump, and to do that we got to get started with this bolt. Oh, my hand's all crazy over there. This bolt, this bolt. All right, and then we got a couple more. Let's get down here real quick. Where are the other two? Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. All right, the other side has the same bolts. We're gonna loosen those. We're not taking them off. We're loosening those. We're gonna basically lift this side up. Somehow we're gonna hold it up, and we're gonna get to the tank there. Instead of dropping it, we're doing this instead. I think it's a lot easier. All right, let's get to it. This guy right here, he's gonna come out, because if you follow it all the way over here, it's with the bed. So since we're lifting the bed, we want to get a little bit of slack. We're gonna get this guy undone so he can move back and forth. All right, so we're gonna take this little guy off, and we're gonna take these guys off right here so we can get some wiggle right here. All right. So another thing we're gonna have to do, these guys, as you can tell, easy to take off. Same thing over here. All right, so instead we're gonna have to take the tailgate off. So instead of taking this screw, that screw, we're gonna go ahead and Rigo, can you show us?
Yeah.
All right, so this side right here comes up. Nice. All right, so it comes up, and then once it's up, tailgate comes this way, comes out of that side over there. I got it. All right, so what Rigo's doing right now, he's loosening this side, the 4-board bolts. I was talking about that side over there. These two, there's two that are on there, and I'm actually gonna go get them right now. I'm gonna try to lift this guy. We're gonna get one of these, hold it up. Let's go. All right. I feel like the other side, like the bolts, you know, is kind of
slower. Okay, hold that.
Oh, it fits.
Yeah, it's just a little crooked, but
it's on there, right?
We can work in there. Yeah.
It's on there. All right. Fuel pumps right here, guys. The pump. Here's a brand new pump, big guy. We're trying to put this together right here. Pretty much a little floater guy. So, all right, check it out. Just kind of keep it against the wall. This little side, keep it against the wall, and you'll see that it kind of goes in there like that. So let's do that real quick. You just gotta clip it, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me hold it. You clip it. Go for it. Oh, my bad. There you go. Nice. One sensor, two sensors. All right, this one's gonna have a little security tip. You just kind of pull it towards you, comes off, and then you're able to unplug it. All right, so for this guy right here, let me just put it back in just to show you guys. All right, so as you can see, there's a little bottom clip. It's right there, and it's on the other side. So you're gonna squeeze those guys together, and you push up, and then you pull. This plastic guy, okay, it locks in. So let's go this way. So let's see, these little bumps, these little ridges, you see right here, they lock in between right here on every little side. We got it loose, boys. All right, guys, comparison. So these pumps, they compress, and to get it out, we had to compress it because we didn't have too much room. So as you can see, and it's a little pump, got the new pump. Yo, so it's in, guys. The cool thing about this new fuel pump is that we got this little guy right here, and it sits perfectly in between here and here, and that's kind of where it needs to sit because the sensors are supposed to be right here and those connections are supposed to be right there. Like I said, connections, they line up perfectly. This guy right here, pretty flexible, so but still, this ring right here, guys, this ring, you'll see where it sits, and the little speed bumps I pointed out, we're gonna go ahead and tighten that right now. All right, righty tighty. Get in here. I'm gonna get a little bit right here. Next one, because you got more than one, guys. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. You got plenty of them, so you can't just hit one and expect to lock all of them. You want to hit here, 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 get all of it locked in, but it's gonna go in. Let's get this guy. Tools, guys. Flathead, hammer. You're gonna get in the edges. Righty tighty. We got it in. All right, got this guy on, and we got this guy on. All right, let's go. 2 more. Rigo?
Huh?
Can I have that clip, that little safety pin that we took off?
Where is it?
The one sensor is by the bolts.
Okay.
So this connection right here, I talked about a safety pin. It's gonna be this guy right here. All right, guys, you just saw we got the fuel pump in. Those 3 connections, the 2 sensors, besides all the bolts that we took off, that's pretty much it. All right, so if the fuel pump doesn't fix the truck, it cranks, doesn't turn on. We're pretty sure it's the fuel pump. If it's not the fuel pump, we're gonna go ahead and change the spark plugs and coils. Let's hope it's the fuel pump. All right, he's gonna crank it. It's priming.
You hear it?
It definitely primes.
What do you think?
I think it should start. Whenever you let it prime for a minute, like turn it on and don't turn it off right away. Okay. Let it be there for like 5 seconds.
Try it or what?
Try it. I'm not looking too good, guys. Probably the spark plugs, or no, the wires. If not the wires, the distributor caps. But I don't think it's a fuel pump. All right, guys, she's put back together. Just doing the last little pieces. So y'all saw it didn't turn on. We're pretty sure it's the spark plugs. No, not the spark plugs. Keep saying that. The coils, wires, or the caps. Whenever we get those, we'll be back and we'll get it. Hopefully it turns on then.